Seneta wa Kaunti Ilovi Edwin Sifuna Niwavuthiisya Wiw'Ano wa Kuthukuma Vamwe kati wa Silikali Nene na ila ya Ilovi Aineena na Aandiki Mauvoo Myakoni ya Mbunge Sifuna Niwaweta Kana Ngavana wa Kaunti Ilovi Sakaja Niumetwe ni Kuthukuma Vala Watula Muti Iseso ya Kwikia Saii Wiw'Ano iweta kana mawoni Mamwene nthi Maineekon'wa wa Kwikia Saii ko ayasya na keta Seneta wa Kaunti Ilovi na Maineekon'wa nthini wa Wiw'Ano ndeto cia Sifuna ni cia kwatwa mboni muyumbe wa Mbunge cha Embakasi East Babu Owino iweta kana Wiw'Ano ni nzia ya kutumia mbesa cia mwene nthi nai mwaka selela
Muthenya umwe itina wa Silikali Nene Kwikia Saii wa Wiw'Ano Kuthukuma Vamwe na Silikali ya Kaunti Ilovi nthini wa Muthukumi kivathukanio Iseso ini yavuthiwa nemo maatongwe kuma Kaunti ni Ilovi evo Seneta wa Kaunti ino Edwin Sifuna na muyumbe wa Mbunge cha Embakasi umiloni wa Babu Owino Vala Mauvoo kana Gavana Sakaja Niumetwe ni wia wake wa kutongwesya Kaunti ya Ilovi.
The transfer of functions to the national government is a clear sign that the governor is a born incompetent governor. A governor who cannot deliver services to the citizens of Nairobi. So Nairobi is at a great loss and we are mourning, deeply mourning, we are grieving the transfer of functions from the county government to the national government.
So you see, Mr. President, it is possible to remain faithful to your oath of office. We want development, but only if undertaken in strict accordance with the Constitution. This is, in fact, is the very foundation of leadership. I want to take this opportunity to urge both parties, my Governor Sakaja and the President, to shelve this agreement in the public interest and maintain fidelity to the Constitution.
Atongwe ani Mauvoo kana mbewa Wiw'Ano Kwikia Saii Silikali tena ilite kwamba kosa ni mawoni maene nthi na vala Silikali vangite kutoa Iseso ya kosa mawoni kwa ilungu ya mithina 14.
Indeed, the so-called cooperation agreement itself acknowledges that no public participation was conducted prior to the signing yesterday, a violation of the Constitution that is too egregious to ignore. To then provide in the same agreement that it would be subjected to public participation after the fact is not only disrespectful to the people of Nairobi, but the clearest indication that it is anything but what we are being told it is.
Public participation. That they are saying they want to do it within a period of 14 days. We have 17 constituencies and 85 wards within Nairobi. Is it even practical? But going by the doctrine of legitimate expectation, the moment they sign it, then it means that they already know the outcome. There's already an expectation that it is going to be implemented, because the moment it is signed, now it should be implemented.
Ona uyo vo Wiw'Ano uni wa kwata ukono itina wa musili wa makwani wa koti wa yulu bahati mwamunye kunya uti wa mbekungama tina wa ukulyo kuthagwa kotini Wiw'Ano na Kwikia Saii kwa Wiw'Ano usu. Nilivoti ya vilingi wa Mauvoo nitoa mwaka mweu.